Host, welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle: portion control. In a world filled with supersized meals and jumbo snacks, it's easy to lose touch with our body's natural signals. But fear not, because today, we'll learn how to listen to our bodies and eat the right amount of food. Let's get started. Host, before we begin, it's important to understand why portion control matters. Overeating can lead to weight gain, discomfort, and even chronic health conditions. By practicing portion control, we can maintain a balanced diet and enjoy all the foods we love in moderation. Host, one of the easiest ways to gauge portion sizes is by using simple tools like measuring cups and food scales. They provide accurate measurements and help us visualize what a proper portion looks like. It's surprising how often our eyes deceive us. Host, but hey, we don't always carry measuring cups and scales with us, right? That's when we rely on our instincts and listening to our bodies. Here are a few tips to help you navigate portion control without the need for tools. Host, tip number 1, fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables. These nutrient-rich foods are low in calories and high in fiber, making you feel full and satisfied without overindulging. Host, tip number 2, be mindful of your plate composition. Aim for a balance of lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. This combination provides a well-rounded meal that fuels your body while keeping your portions in check. Host, tip number 3, slow down and savor each bite. Eating mindfully allows us to truly appreciate the flavors and textures of our food. It also gives our brain time to register when we're full, preventing us from overeating. Host, tip number 4, be mindful of snacks. Snacking can be a major culprit in consuming excess calories. Instead of mindlessly reaching for a bag of chips, portion out a small serving and savor it. Host, and lastly, don't forget to stay active. Regular exercise not only supports a healthy weight but also helps regulate our appetite and cravings. Host, remember, portion control is about finding the right balance for your body and lifestyle. It's not about deprivation or strict rules, but rather understanding your body's needs and fueling it accordingly. Host, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful in your journey towards better portion control. Let us know in the comments below how you incorporate portion control into your daily routine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and informative content. Until next time, stay mindful, stay healthy, and keep enjoying your food.